If you're looking to add a splash of blue and pink to your wallet, this video will give you a hands-on look at Revolut's free current account and card. To help you get better acquainted, I'll be showing you around the app and its features, looking at Revolut's safety considerations and spilling the tea on whether we think this digital challenger bank is worth it. Take a look. Revolut launched in 2015 and has set itself apart from traditional banks with a focus on technology, low fees and flexibility. Revolut's free UK current account comes with a cute, bluish-pinkish card and an app packed with an impressive range of features, including free money transfers to countries inside the single euro payments area, fee-free global spending, and access to multiple cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'm going to focus on Revolut's free standard account, but there are also a range of paid-for premium accounts available that come with stylish, customizable metal cards and extra features. You can also open a business account with Revolut, as well as a junior account for kids aged 7 to 17. Compared with other digital challenger bank accounts I've opened, Revolut's sign-up process felt lengthy and slightly complex. Unlike with Monzo, Starling or any of my traditional current accounts, Revolut does charge for postage when you order your card. Once approved, the app will ask you to transfer a minimum amount into your account, plus the $4.99 postage fee. I found this bit a little jarring, as I barely had time to get my head around the app before being asked to move funds around. So let's take a look at Revolut's homepage. Now, it is quite densely packed with information, but at the top you've got your account balance as well as some simple tools such as to add money, send money, etc. Beneath that you can view your recent transactions. As you scroll down the page, you'll find hints and tips for various features and in-app functionality, and the option to discover some unique rewards that you get with Revolut and its partners. Underneath that, you'll find your spending insights, so you can see how much you've been spending and on what. Next to this, you've also got the option to set up a budget. So if you hit set up, you can then plug in an amount. So I'm going to put in, say, £100. Beneath that, hit the cycle option to decide when you want this budget to refresh. It could be weekly, monthly, or you could even select your budget to refresh after your payday. And at the very bottom of the Revolut homepage, you'll find trading news. Going along the top navigation then, in cards you'll find both your physical and virtual cards. Your virtual card operates much like your physical card and shares the same sort code and account number. The only difference is that you can't use it for withdrawing cash because it only exists on your phone. The great thing about your virtual card is that you can't lose it, and it has a different card number from your physical card to increase your account security. All you need to do is click on your card there to view your card controls. Here you can literally freeze and unfreeze your card in 2 taps of your phone. Linked account uses open banking so that you can add your other accounts here so that you can manage all of your money from one app. Pockets are a way to organise your bills and put money aside to pay for them. To make the most of this feature, you'll need to set up all of your bills and subscriptions you want to pay for through Revolut, and then set up recurring transfers to these pots on payday so that you're never caught short. Junior is where you can set up the junior account for kids. Going along the bottom navigation then, the bar chart icon at the bottom takes you to your Wealth tab, where you can start trading stocks, buy cryptocurrencies, invest in commodities like gold, or set up a savings vault. You can either set up a personal vault to help put money aside for a personal savings goal, and you can do this with any currency available, even commodities, or you can set up a group vault for a shared savings goal like a family holiday, bills, or rent. The arrows are for your Payments tab, where you can send and receive money between friends, split bills, schedule payments and manage your subscriptions, and transfer money internationally. Next is Rewards, where you can get rewards and discounts with Revolut's partner brands and retailers. And finally, you have Revolut's Marketplace, where you can Add device and medical insurance, send monetary gifts with cute little animations, upgrade your account and unlock extra perks like airport lounge access, as well as search for ATMs nearby. I didn't find Revolut's app as intuitive to use as some of its competitors like Monzo or Starling. Each feature comes with a short explainer video pop-up, almost like an Instagram story, which does get a bit repetitive after a while. However, Revolut is bursting at the seams with great features that let you manage more of your money through the app than with similar providers. Despite not being a bank yet, Revolut is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA. This means that your funds are kept separate from Revolut's own finances, so Revolut can't invest it or use it to pay off debts if anything were to happen to the company. The app itself is passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID protected, and you can immediately freeze the card via the app if it gets lost or stolen. You can also add additional spending controls by turning online, ATM, or contactless payments off. Plus, with real-time spending notifications, you'll instantly be alerted to any unexpected activity on your account. With fee-free spending abroad and auto exchange, which lets you exchange currencies in a couple of taps, Revolut is great for travelling. If it's high-tech features you're after, Revolut is tough to beat. At the moment, it's one of the only digital challenger banks offering fee-free international bank transfers, share trading, and access to cryptocurrencies. However, if it's a simple, straightforward current account you're after, there may be better options out there. With so many new providers hitting the market, it's important to compare all your options. Head to finder.com to find the right current account for you. Links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel right here if you enjoyed this video, or stay tuned for our next video coming up just down here. Thanks for watching.